Hello and welcome. In this video, we're gonna be seeing what is a root user and what is an IAM user. Now, if it sounds a little bit confusing, let's see. We have seen these words previously as well. If I share my screen, yeah. When we try to sign in to our AWS console, we always see this two things: root user, whether you are root user or you are an IAM user. Well, the heck are these? So let me try to explain you. The root user is the difference between them is, for example, if you have a company, all right, and you have an AWS account, that is obviously a paid account. So you don't want your employee to give every access, right? So you are the root user, you own everything, you have access to everything inside this AWS console, every services or every passwords, every data, you have access to that. But an employee, if working for you, you don't have to give them full access, you don't have to give them full control over your account, right? So for that we create these IAM, identity access management user. So it comes under the root user, and whatever policies that we define, um, that IAM user will have only that limited access, restricted access. So this is the difference between these two. Okay, so that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.